What makes you happy and inspires you to move forward in something you normally wouldn't? In this video, I'm going to give you support to 7 days of a jumpstart to happiness. Are you in? I know I am. Welcome to TFC. I'm Rhonda Liebig, #1 best-selling author on Amazon. I'm going to share an inspirational quote with you to step you off to the side, get you really inspired today, and then I'm going to give you that key to happiness. Smile every chance you get. Not because life has been easy, perfect, or exactly as you had anticipated, but because you choose to be happy and grateful for all the good things you do have and all the problems you know you don't have. So the key to happiness is knowing what makes you happy, plain and simple. But it's not as easy as that. So I'm going to give you a bonus at the end of this video to really give you a 7-day jump start. Why is being happy important? Because it is the key to our TFC body. Believe it or not, there's a skinny on this because it will help you. Happiness will help you calm down the fat hormone called cortisol. Now, we all want that. Now, there's many events that happen throughout the day with somebody saying hello to you, you saying hello to somebody and brightening their day. Different events that happen that make you happy, and sometimes we forget about those little special events because of the chaos of the day. So I want you to spend time 7 days with me on this TFC to really step in and find your personal happiness. And why I want to focus on this week is because joy and happiness bring something very special into your life. It helps you with many things. Taking out the negativity makes you believe that you can do bigger things than you normally can. Being able to step away and really appreciate life. And that's what you need to step forward in your health journey. So are you in? Are you with me? Are you in the TFC? If so, I want you to click the link and get your bonus journal because we're going to do this together. 7 days, finding our happiness, capturing that information so we can breathe it and love it. Have a TFC day, and I will catch up with you soon. Thank you.